Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Kulfi at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 liter of full-fat milk and 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Also, prepare 100 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Don't forget a small pinch of saffron, plus 20 grams each of chopped pistachios and almonds for that authentic flavor and texture. Now, let's start cooking. Pour your 1 liter of whole milk and 200 milliliters of heavy cream into a heavy-bottomed pan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. You'll need to simmer it for approximately 60 to 90 minutes, stirring frequently. This process reduces the volume by about 1/2, creating a rich, creamy base. Once your milk mixture has thickened beautifully, it's time to infuse it with flavor and sweetness. Carefully stir in 100 grams of sugar until it completely dissolves. Next, add 1 teaspoon of aromatic cardamom powder and a delicate pinch of saffron for that signature hue. Finally, fold in your 20 grams of chopped pistachios and 20 grams of almonds, ensuring they are well distributed. After adding all the wonderful flavors, let the kulfi mixture cool down completely to room temperature. Once cooled, carefully pour it into your kulfi molds or any small, freezer-safe cups you have. Place them in the freezer for a minimum of 8 hours, or even better, leave them overnight. To serve, briefly dip the molds in warm water for easy unmolding, and enjoy your homemade Desi Kulfi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.